that's not cool. No, really, it's quite hot. You can avoid this by keeping an eye on your coolant, so we'll show you how to check and top up your coolant in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Check your levels. Your car is parked up securely. You've got your hands all gloved up and your safety glasses. You've popped up the bonnet and, very importantly, the engine is cool. You're looking for the coolant reservoir. Generally, it's a clearish plastic container with the word coolant or a coolant logo. Take a peek down the side and you'll see minimum and maximum marks. If your coolant sits between these two, you're super. If you're having a little trouble finding the coolant reservoir, it could be that your vehicle doesn't have one. On this sort of vehicle, you'll be removing the radiator pressure cap, so wait until the engine is cold. Once the cap is safely off, your coolant level should be right up to where the cap sits. If the coolant in your radiator or reservoir isn't up to where it should be, it's time for Step 2. Choosing the right coolant to top up your vehicle. Not tap water. It's great for humans, it's bad for your car and can lead to corrosion. The colouring of your coolant is important because certain chemistries don't mix well and the wrong coolant can damage your engine. So, unless it's the yellow universal top-up coolant, you should never mix colours. A quick flip through your owner's manual will reveal the coolant specifications for your car, which you can match up with the correct coolant at Supercheap Auto. Or, on the Supercheap Auto website, just pop your rego into the My Garage feature and browse the selection of coolants to easily see which type suits your vehicle. Grab a funnel while you're at it, and then it's on to Step 3. It's time to top up. Following the same precautions as earlier, remove the cap from your reservoir or radiator and, with the help of your funnel, top the radiator right up to the cap or the reservoir to the maximum level. Just like an oil check and top-up, it's super easy to do and should be performed at about the same interval, once every month or so. Find detailed instructions and more videos to help you make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs.